Hey, good day to you. This is Rian, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a bearish movement. Market came back up, retest the previous high, and came down. This is pretty much something I've spoke about it last week. It has the exact move. If you remember, great. If not, I will remind you shortly. All right. So on the 4-hour chart, what we have over here, bearish movement on the last move. Then market start to have a break and close above, happens over here. So right now on the 4-hour is on a bullish move, and 1 hour is pretty much sideways. So your concern might be, hey Rain, if the daily chart is still on a bearish move, 4-hour chart bullish and 1 hour chart sideways, what is what? So if you are trading on a single time frame, then just focus on the time frame you are trading. Treat each time frame analysis independent. That's one way to do it. However, if you do piece and mix these pieces together, this could pretty much just be a bearish trend over here on a daily chart. 4-hour chart when it went bullish, and 1 hour chart sideways, showing a potential opportunity for the market to reverse to go higher. All right, so the keyword is not potential. The keyword is not going higher, but the keyword is potential. All right, so you have to wait for confirmation to make the final call. So if you want to learn more about that, you can scan this QR code that will bring you to our website over here, Students Portal, where you can start to learn how to trade. You can even start to drop us a text and share your analysis. So scroll down further, this is even a free course for you, so you can start learning at zero cost. There's no excuse for you not to start. You can practice it in a demo account, and if you like your result, then you make your own arrangement. There is no obligation. One thing you could probably do is to share with more of your friends about this wonderful website and platform. You can start learning. And of course, if you love to join us for group coaching or personal coaching, drop me a note. We will see if you're a good fit before we accept you as our student. Scroll down further, you can even start to see this is the kind of trading ideas we share with our students as well. All right, so over here, what you can see is that the profit factor that we have means that every dollar that we risk, how much potential profit we can have, is higher than the average traders or even professional out there. All right, so the first target already give us more than 2:1 reward is to risk, and second target coming close to 4:1 reward is to risk. So if you love to see this kind of stuff, drop us a note and we will see if you're a good fit. And of course, you can join us for our upcoming webinar that's happening in the coming Sunday, very soon, 12th of June, 8:30 p.m. Singapore time. All right, I'll be sharing very stuff that is very close to your heart, questions that you have, truth about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and what kind of are we going to face a food crisis issue, and what kind of assets we should be looking at. All right, so register now and really share with your friends, because seats are limited. People are swarming in right now already as we speak. We've already received registration and stuff like that. So back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. Okay, last week I've mentioned about this head and shoulder. It is in my written analysis. I've talked about it. Correct, a potential head and shoulder on a daily setup. All right, can you see that? All right, and it happens. And even if you check out our videos analysis in our Forex 100 Facebook page, in Facebook page, all right, you can go to pound dollar and have a look. All right, so this is dollar yen. This pound dollar published on 29th of May. I have already told you that the pin to the top easier for you guys. I've already told you that the head and shoulder is coming. All right, the purpose is not for you to short it down, because that is shouldn't the way you should be looking at. Although the potential profit could be 146 pips, that's not how a trader should operate. You shouldn't try to grab everything, but wait for confirmation before engage a trade. But the purpose of the video is to also to let you know that pre-analysis is possible. And what's more important is for those who are already in this ABCD formation trade that we engage over here at a hop level, you do not need to be panicked. And of course, they can consider to do partial profits at this level and see if they want to engage additional entry over here as a potential head and shoulder trades, correct? So to the 4-hour chart, this is a trade that I'm in myself. 4-hour chart, I've already shorted this shark pattern. All right. So last night during the non-farm payroll, market was here, and of course, I do have my concern. And I do a bit of thinking and consideration and stuff like that. I find that the movement will not be in the non-farm payroll, however, will be the following week interest rates decision. All right. So if the US is going to do, stuff that is unexpected to the market in terms of increasing their currency and stuff like that, exchange rates, then this shorting trade will be favorable. You can see it's about to reach my first target over here. It's still quite a distance, it's about 1.24. all right, I still have 88 pips to go. However, pound dollar 88 pips in a single day, not a big problem. That's a good thing about trading the pound. All right, so let's see how it goes. And to the 1-hour chart, this is something of my concern, of course. Based on the 1-hour chart, this is what I read it as a sideways bounce formation, and these are potential price action that could reverse against my trade. That's why I want to really take notice of this movement. In and out of the bottom and the top is 110 pips of movement. All right, so something to take note. If you're really into trading, you want to be better, why not consider to join our academy? As you can see, we analyze things that before anyone else have told you about it. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon in our upcoming webinar on 12th of June. Don't forget to sign up and invite your friends along. All right, take care. Goodbye.